Alrighty, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing more of a vlog style video. I don't have that thing, like the live view screen that flips around to show whether I'm in frame or not, so I'm kind of just going to hope for the best. But today we're going to be doing a couple things. So we're starting the race prep on my car today. So we're going to do an oil change on both cars. As you can see there, we get the oil from FCP. A little bit of an update, I guess I can show you guys. So don't mind the wood, that's just so I can jack the car up, but I actually gutted the interior of the car. Not the whole interior, I still have, I'm thinking about taking this passenger seat out as well. And I have the lightweight race seat, but the back seats are completely out. I still have the door cards on and the seat belts, but the seat belts are coming out today. And then the trunk liner, like all that stuff is gone. So that was probably about 150, 160-ish pounds of weight savings. So definitely not bad. You can kind of think of that, like if you're racing alone, it's like basically removing yourself from the car. So that's not bad if you ask me, but that was just a little bit of extra help, hopefully to give me the lighter edge on the race. But we'll get into the rest of the video for today, and then bring you guys along with everything that we do. So hope you guys enjoy this type of video and seeing my face all day.
This thing's gonna fucking roll off.
What?
It's gonna roll off. Collect. What gear is it in?
First.
Well, it shouldn't be in first.
Why?
Because first can still roll. You go. You know people jump start it in first, right? Let's put it in third. Here we go.
Probably good enough. I just made that noise.
Because it's clapped.
Need some birds.
Woo! Shit's nice. Alright, so we had to switch to the GoPro because the other camera was about to die, so the rest of it's gonna be in GoPro quality, unfortunately, but who cares?
It's alright.
Just doing an oil change anyway, so. Does the Pixie Fairy visit you?
Probably.
It's kind of dark under here. Sick.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a glove.
Ooh. Gross. So clean. How many miles old is that?
Huh?
How many miles old is that?
Like probably 90,000. Still good.
Yeah. Gonna go get some race gas today. Some E90. Shit's like what, $8 a gallon?
Yeah.
$8 a gallon. 118 octane. Get this bitch running ice. 30 psi. What is it? 11 degrees timing? 10 degrees timing? 9 to 10 degrees timing. I bet you she makes over 800 with all that. Because what, she made like 746 at
746 and 27 psi.
yeah, so an extra
On E75.
yeah, an extra 3 pounds of boost and 15% more ethanol, which is a pretty big jump.
Yeah, it's like what, 14 more octane.
Yeah, that's pretty big. So the timing is gonna be very aggressive, and add another 3 pounds of boost. There's no way you're hooking up. Not a chance.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough. We're gonna have to really warm them up.
You're gonna have to warm them up, and you're gonna have to. You might even have to like walk into it. You probably can't even.
Yeah, brake boosting. Well, that's the thing though.
I don't-
Like, I'm hoping that if I I don't brake boost as hard, then I'll be able to, because he'll get out on me, but I'm hoping I'll be able to like catch up and walk past him.
For those of you who don't know what we're talking about the F80. Oh, okay. All right, yeah, the F80 M3 we're walking, or we're gonna walk. Yeah, he's already been walked once, but he wants it again, so. Was it a $2,000 pot? Let's go.
It'll probably be about that, yeah.
I might throw some cash. We'll see. See how confident I'm feeling. All right, so we just finished up the oil change on the silver car. So we're gonna be heading over to get the race gas for the black 335. So it's about a 40-minute trip, so we might do a little time lapse here on the way over to get the E90 from our friend John Gago. So we're gonna go check that out, check out his shop and stuff, and then get this race gas to be ready for this race. So we'll see you guys when we get there. So we made it to the shop that's selling the E90. We're gonna meet up with our guy. Like I said, we made it here. We're gonna go say hi to our friend here and get this E90.
Boys right there. Oh,
getting that Dragon Racing E90 to red.
Alright, so I just realized that we didn't have a transition clip, so as I talk about this, you can enjoy Zach's face there. But, so as you saw in the text that I had put in the video, the race with the M3 unfortunately did not happen. He was claiming that he had transmission issues, so he ended up not coming out. But we ended up running our buddy John in his 335, so I'll put his channel in the description below. He runs N54 Racing channel. So check out his last video. He has a bunch of race videos as well. So we're just gonna kind of cut right to the racing here. I hope you guys enjoy this part of the video. No, we really should get the dragging going though.
Well, that's all you, dog. You probably have to log in and shit and connect to your device. Cops were going this way earlier. He's got a single exit? I didn't know that.
Yeah, he does.
Jesus Christ.
Gotta warm the tires up.
Fuck, man, that thing is ear piercing.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Every light?
I know!
All manual cars? Like, come on, bro.
Alright.